All right, now we're going to start working on our potatoes. So we're going to take our sauté pan and we're going to put in about a tablespoon of oil. We're going to move it around to make sure that it covers the bottom and a little bit up on the sides. We're going to take our potatoes and run them under some water. Get rid of any eyes that may have grown. And so depending on your taste, you can take these and you can take all of the skin off and then cut them into cubes. And you don't need a peeler to do that if you don't want. You just cut off the end so that it remains flat, and then take your knife and go follow the potato down. And turn over to make sure that you have all the pieces off. Here. And we're going to go and cut them again. And depending on how big you cut them, that's how long it's going to take to cook them. And we try and get these into uniform sizes so they'll cook evenly. Alright, our oil should be just about hot enough now. I'm going to make sure that all of my potato pieces have separated so we don't get any raw parts that cook together. And then we'll go ahead and saute them.